Okay, after a short detour at the gas station, I had to add a little bit because I was on an empty day. Here we go, test driving once more. Hey Ben, why don't you tell everybody on Facebook that joke you just told me? Hold on. Gotta get the head in there. You're riding a donkey. Somebody throws a rock at you and knocks you off of it. Are you stoned off your ass? Go on there! Shit. Oh, shit. Damn. It's so fucking hot. No matter how you feel, life has a way of teaching us these things. And so this hurts more than it hurts you. And Pooh driving like a bat out of hell. Don't know if it'll work or not. Just hard at it again. Good Lord. Mile an hour around that curve. I don't know anybody else is drinking into that shit. I'll do it. Especially not in a Ford Ranger. In my car. Yeah, not no Ford fucking Ranger. That aluminum will take a hill, son. Remember, pull up next to the compressor. Compressor. We got to drop some of this. Oh man, my throat. Okay, we'll go up to the compressor first and come back down. Making me do more shit. I done spent half my fucking day up there. And he loves me, boy. I'm sure. That's why he's gonna put this tire on this rim for me. You think I'm joking? Ain't happening. Sweet. Let's do it. Now. Alright. We get to watch good old Ben over here burn every bit of facial hair right off his face. Brian, I hope you're watching this because this is going to be good shit right here. You know, you wanted Ben to shave. It's going to cut that completely out. It's going to burn every damn bit of it. Put it on the back of the tailgate here. Now, put it up there on that tailgate there. That way you got a good restful spot. Excuse me. You are aware this is a two-man job, right? I understand it. I'm going to stand back and hold this here camera and not do a fucking thing else. Well, this only way to find the truth. Whoa, killer. Turn around to Ben holding a can of heat and lighter aimed at my face. Ta-da. Alright. Here we go. Boom! You gotta spray something in there, ain't you? Yeah. Let me get a good stance back away. Wait, Ben. Massaging it first before it blows. Mm. That's some strong smell of shit, ain't it? I don't like doing this, y'all. You know what? I need a stick with a piece of paper on it. I ain't putting this thumb. That makes that damn thing. Oh my God, that's funny. When's the chicken shit? Just kidding. I wouldn't do it either. Just light the stick on fire. There you go. Boy, he's a bright one, y'all. He's a bright one. This is gonna be awesome. Ooh, watch this shit, y'all. Watch this shit. Boom. Oh, it went out. It went out. How brave was your brother? Not that goddamn brave. He ain't that stupid either. stupid. Maybe. Look how shaky Ben is. He's scared. Ben, you scared?
I'm scared.
Say you scared.
I'm scared. Oh, really?
he's just gonna burn the fucking tire. Oh my God! What the fuck are you doing?
It didn't. It didn't go poof. It's supposed to go poof. It's supposed to go poof, darn it. Oh, hold on.
What's the matter?
Did you forget? You got the tools right here.
Huh?
You got the tools to do what I need to do right here.
What are you talking about, Ben?
How to put the tire on.
No, I want to watch you do it the other way.
No.
Come on, man.
No, because you ain't gonna do it with me.
You even bought the can of shit.
I can use that for something.
Use it for that, Ben. Come on, what are you doing, man? Quit being a chicken shit. People on Facebook want to see you burn your fucking beard.
I don't want to burn my beard.
But we want you to. A little. Just a little. Here we go, people.
Where'd my stick go?
Oh, jeez. It's on the ground. He wonders why it don't work. It's because he ain't giving it time. He's giving it too much time to evaporate out of the tire.
Smart idea.
Standing so far back with the flame. Just spray some in there. Go. Psh.
Fuck that. How strong is that shit?
This, ladies and gentlemen, quit that. This is what we do in Alabama. Those are hay bales. This is Ben trying to blow a tire up with heat and a flame because it's close enough to ether. Now he's going to cheat and use the ratchet straps. If he can figure out how to use it. You got to open it all the way up.
I know.
Whatever.
Twisted. Now it's straight.
Whatever, man. Man, look.